beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today I'm going to play with this brand new palette by Urban Decay, the Ultraviolet. As you know, I like violet a lot. It's my favorite color. This is the palette inside and I'm going from the light green until the darkest color, I hope. I hope to show you as many colors as I can. So let's get started and I will show you the finished look at the end. And first I'm going in with the Sigma E38 and this is a diffused crease brush, and I'm going in with the lavender purple optimized. That's how it's called, and I'm going to use that in my crease. Underneath this I used the MAC paint pot in soft ochre. I always used to use this in my as a eyeshadow primer. I really can build this color up, just so gorgeous. And I'm going to build this one up until I am satisfied. It's a nice light purple color. It is noticeable, but there is a light shimmer in it, a metallic finish. Yeah. It's very soft, it's easy to apply on your eyes, and I like it so far. And I'm going in with the color Purple Dust. And I'm going to use that in my crease. Because I really want to darken it up a bit. This is also really soft. It applies so easy and it blends so well. And I'm so careful with the amount that I'm taking. Okay. So that's darken it up, but I'm not done yet with the color Purple Dust because I really like this color and I like to darken it up the inner corners, and I'm going to use a flat brush. This is the Morphe M124 and I'm going to darken up the inner corner. Ooh, you can see if you really pack this on, there is that golden, that purple, that purple sheen in it. So, the outer corner, I really want to leave some space open because we've got the other metallic colors as well. Oh, I can see I didn't tap my brush off, that I have some fallout. I hope I can get rid of that easily. Okay, keep it like this now for now. It's going to be a halo eye, and then I'm going in with Euphoric, or as we say in Holland, Euphorisch. Ooh, I really like this color. It's a duochrome. So then I'm going in with my brush from Dipbrow. brush 55. I don't know what it is for anymore, but I like to do this little detail work with it. So I'm currently getting the minty green and I'm going to place that in the middle. So that is my halo effects. And I really like this minty green. I'm going to clean it up a bit and I'm going back in with the Euphoric color. But I don't want to lose that intensity of it. We got the under eye part left to do. But I really like this so far. I hope you do too. So let's get started with the under eye. I'm just going in with the purple dust first. And I'm going to use the palette so for this part. It's the purple dust color. And I'm going to use it as well the inner corner. I'm going to take the Euphoric. Now we do the same thing on the bottom part as we did on the top part. Okay, next time I'm going to do first my eyes and then the foundation. And then we got the green. And I'm going to put that down here. Yeah. So that's that. So then I'm going to take a little blending brush and blend that a little bit out as far as it goes. I like it so far, yeah. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. So now I'm doubting. I've got new pencils as well, eye pencils, and I've got the mint and the purple by LA Girl. Yeah. The Eye Vivid and the Eye Fresh. Eye Vivid is the purple, Eye Fresh is the, yeah, it's more greenish color, I think. So what I'm going to do is open this one first. I see I didn't open it yet. Oh, it's very easy. Okay, that's cool. I am going to put this one behind my ear. I'm just like a nutty professor or something. Stay there. Yeah, okay. There, I'm going to place the purple one where the rest of the purple is. And in the middle part, I'm going to work with the green. Ooh, they're very smooth. I like it. Then for the green, it's going to be in the middle. Oh yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. I'm going to use the Better Than Sex mascara. That's that. Now I can go with some lashes and things like that. I'll be right back with the finished results and maybe with or without a lash. So this is the final result. Yes, I did add a lash. I really love it with a lash and a tiny eyeliner. It's just a little bit so to clean it up a bit. I use the lashes by Tati Lashes, and these were the TL21. I really like them. They're fluffy but not too fluffy, and they're lush, and yeah, they give you a wide open eye look. I love that kind of lashes. I love the Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette so much. It's easy to work with. The only thing I had was a little bit of fallout. I don't mind it that much. If it's easily wiping away, then it's not a biggie. This one was a little bit of a challenge, but I did correct it with my powder from Charlotte Tilbury. That helped a lot. Then after that I used the Blush and Glow Duo by Natasha Denona. That's this one. I really like this one. The blush is really, yeah, it's pink, but it's not too much, if you know what I mean. The highlight of it, it's gorgeous. Yeah, I really love a good highlighter, but it doesn't have to be that bright that they can see me, spot me from of the moon. So I don't want to invite any aliens over here, if you believe in that stuff. Yeah, I'm really enthusiastic about the palette, about my new eyeliners. I got them in 5 colors, I think. Yeah, 5 is so. These 5 colors. My lipstick is new by Nabla. This is the Chloe. It's a nude lipstick, and I went on top of it with my new Nabla Shine Terry lip gloss. And this one really smells like coconut. Yeah, it really does. And it's also a nude, and I put that on top of my lipstick, and then we get this. It's a nude lip, but it has a gloss effect. I love that with a bold eye like this. The whole eye is metallic, as you can see. I've never done this before. It's always matte on top of matte on top of matte, and then the moving eyelid is some metallic-y or glittery, and that's all just fine. But yeah, I like this one as well because it shines from every corner. It has a whole highlighted eye. Yeah, I like it, and I hope you like it too. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my new uploaded videos in the future. I hope you like this tutorial. I had a blast with the new Urban Decay Ultraviolet palettes and some other new products. If you have a product that you think, yes, I want a review about that, and I don't want to buy it before I have a review, just give me a message, or put a message down below, and I will get to that. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.